Hello, welcome to the Kepler tutorial. Today I am going to show you a few buttons here in addition to the rest that I've already done. If this is the first time you're watching this video, I suggest start from the beginning. We have it listed on our website, the sequential order. But today I will show you several little icons in here. Okay, let's start with the Vedic icon. The Vedic icon is this one. When you click on this, you have an option to create chakras, vargas, and tables. You can create Vedic natal interpretation. You have this Vedic astrology, nakshatra, dasa, and panchanga reports. The nakshatra report is an optional report, it's not included, but when you click on this, you can see there is nothing listed in here, but that is an optional icon. But let's click on Vedic again, and we'll go to dasas. This one goes to the Kepler workshop, as you can see. All of this goes to Kepler workshop, which I will show you later. But for now, let me just show you what you can get from within this icon. Okay, so Ashtaka Varga also brings you to the Kepler workshop. The same thing with Gochara. It also brings you to the Kepler workshop. Now, Bindu is not included within the Kepler program. It is a separate program that you can purchase. It's a Vedic program by itself. It's included in here because I have it installed on my computer. When you have Bindu installed on your computer, gives you an added icon in here and also down up here. Okay, so that is the Vedic icon. If you are curious about this, now we'll create a separate video for this later. It's a big part to tackle, and I will have to give you an exclusive video for the Kepler workshop by itself later. Okay. The next option is the ephemeris. It's the same thing. We can create planet text ephemeris, asteroids text ephemeris, moon calendar, graphic ephemeris, star catalog, daily listings, and the sky map. All of this goes to the Kepler workshop. Okay, we will cover this later. Okay, and the next one here is the settings. You can click on settings and you can change the zodiac to either tropical or sidereal. You can change the house system, as you can see on the right side. These are all the house systems that you can choose from. And the next one is the house cusp, rotated cusp. Again, you can choose either the normal or any of these options here on the right, second, third, up to the 12th. Okay, and the next one is you can set the default zodiac and house. It's right here. You can choose whichever you want to set as your default for the house systems and the tropical zodiac. Right now, the default is tropical zodiac using Placidus house system. So we can just click on OK in here. Let's click on settings again. And then here, there's so many coordinate systems that you can choose from. When you point in this, the choices are here on the right side. You have Hellenistic, local space, horizon, azimuth, altitude, and all these goodies in here. There are so many. You can play with this when you have the Kepler program, or when you purchase the Kepler program. You can watch this video again and you can play with it. You can play with it. You will be surprised what you can get from this. It's really, really cool features. There's a lot of coordinate systems to choose from. And here, you can click on other settings and it will take you to this window. There's so many settings in here. You can put your company name. You can change the astro settings in here. You can change the fonts that you want to use. You can change the progressed method that you can use, the Ayanamsha, and you can also click on the appearance. You can change the screen appearance, the wheels, the interpretations, you can assign the default wheel that you want to use, and you can click in here to see the maximum height of your timeline. You can edit text and all that good stuff. Okay, so that is the settings area. You will click on OK. Okay, so let's go to the next one. This one is the interactive chart adjust. You click in here, and as you can see, you can adjust to how many hours, 2 hours. It will adjust automatically 3 hours and all that stuff. And you can cancel it if you're just testing it out. Do not make us, you do not save it. Just let's go back there. And then you can also search for, say for example, moon in, let me see, okay, moon in Cancer, for example, and just click on find time of position, and then it will give us the time. It's March 15, and if you look at here, moon is in Cancer. Okay, you can do adjustment for number of days, number of months, and number of years, and automatically adjust. Okay, because we're just showing this to you, we have gonna click. You have to click on cancel so that Elizabeth Taylor's chart doesn't change permanently. Okay, let's click on cancel in here. So that is the chart. Interactive chart adjust. Okay, all right, now this little clock in here gives you the astro clock, which is the feature in Kepler, astro clock settings, bi-wheel animation, tri-wheel animations. You can do this from the wheel area already. And let's click on astro clock, for example. You can start the animation if you want to sync the time to the computer, and you just watch the changes that is happening in the chart. As you can see, I moved it forward so that you can see it. Otherwise, it moves minutely to the actual minutes, but I speed it up for you so that you see the movement. Okay, you can also move it backwards if you want, which will go backwards. Okay, all right, now let's click on exit in here. Let's go back to the small clock, and then let's click on astro clock settings in here. In here, when you receive the Kepler program, when you purchase it, the default location is Gainesville, Florida. You should change this to the location where you live now, so that when you create a current transit quick select chart, it defaults to the location where you live now, where you are using the Kepler program. Okay, I think I've talked about this on the previous video, so let's just move on. But this is just use your common sense. It's very simple and easy. So let's click cancel in here. So that is the small clock. We will not show the rest in here because I've already shown this to you before. Okay, now here there's this question mark. Question mark is the help system within the Kepler program. It has a built-in help system for you. So you click on here, and it takes you to the Kepler manual. And then in here, all you have to do, you can either click on each one of these, which we have the most commonly used one right here in the beginning, or you can do a search. For example, you want to search for synastry. Let's click, let's search for synastry. Okay, we'll go to index, type in synastry. Okay, and as soon as you finish typing, there's a synastry. Double click on it, and then select aspect grid synastry main window, and you click on display, and there you are. These are the options that you can get from the synastry icon. I've shown this to you earlier today. So this is the help system within the Kepler program. So let's close this and then go to the next one. The next one is the Avalon lessons. This is the Avalon lessons. There is an Astro Encyclopedia in there, Avalon lesson, Health Encyclopedia, and the Art Gallery. Let's go to Astro Encyclopedia, and this is the Astro Encyclopedia here. As you can see, look at this. It is, if you are new in astrology, this is very good for you. This is it's like a book, a dictionary of astrology. This is from Divorce Encyclopedia of Astrology. Okay, so that is the Astro Encyclopedia, and we close in there. We click on Avalon again, and Avalon comes with 47 lessons. I'm sorry, Kepler comes with 47 lessons. It's called the Avalon lessons. It's right here. This is the Avalon lessons. I don't know if it's visible in here, but you can see there are 47 lessons in here. You have to click on class 1 and then proceed with your lessons. Don't do it very very fast, just for fun. Do it slowly so that you learn it, especially when you're a beginner. Okay, let's close that. Let's click on Avalon again. It will take us to Health Encyclopedia. This comes with the encyclopedia in here. It is showing the okay. All right, so there are herbs, foods, and stuff like that. Okay, and there you go. This feature is also included within the series program. It's called the Serious Health Encyclopedia. Okay, so let's close in here, and then we go to the Avalon lessons. It will take us to art gallery. The art gallery are copyrighted, so you have to be very sure of this. Do not just post it anywhere without our written permission. You're not supposed to publish this as your own work, and these are just here to use within the features in the program. Okay, let's exit that, and that is the Avalon icon. And the next one is the calculator. This is a really cool feature, and you may not need this in the future, but it is right there for you. It's very very simple to use. You can convert an old calendar to a new calendar in here, for example. And here you can convert 24 hours to 360 degrees and all that stuff. These are all manual thing, and just we put it there just for fun. Okay. Let's click on return to previous window, and let me show you this. This is the Astro Search. Within the Kepler program, there's a good amount of research features in here. It's not as complete as the one in the series program, but you have some in here. It's also very very good. If you're only using this kind of research, there's no need to use the series program. If you're doing an exploratory research, for example, you will need the series program, because there's additional features in there that you can use to complete this process. Okay, so this is the Astro Search icon within the series program. You click on Astro Signature, it will take you to this window. And then you click on matchmaking. Matchmaking is really really good feature. By the way, all the information about this feature is in the help system, so not to worry that we do not have a complete video for this. It's big video to tackle, but there's a complete steps that you can get within the Kepler help system. If you need any help, you can always send us an email. Let's click on forecast in here. These are it's very very intuitive to follow. Let's return to the previous window. There's the pairs. Okay, and then the next one is the exploratory research. This is a much more complicated thing where you can do research on any planetary pairs, and then you click on the midpoints and harmonics patterns. You can just follow this window. It's very very intuitive. And then the next one is a quantitative synodic cycle, and it's very very simple and easy to use. If you need more information about this, then it's in the Kepler help system. Okay, let me just click on each one of them so you know. And then specific astro factors. Okay, let's click on return to previous window, view birth data. Okay, so that is the Astro Search window for you. Let's click on done, and thank you all very much. This concludes our video of the Kepler program. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, send us an email. Thank you very much for your support and for watching our video tutorial. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. If it's during the day at your end, if it's the night, have a wonderful night, and thank you very much. Bye bye for now.